All right, everybody. Today we're working on the shifter assembly for the S-10. Currently we're trying to come up with a bracket that'll bring that up off the floor a little bit, so it's a little more comfortable when you're shifting during the racing. So we're slowly working through. My wife welded this together. We're going to grind it down. We got to make some cuts down in this area so that if we move the seat back, we're both going to be racing, so we'll be moving the seat back and forth. So we have to make sure that the seat can slide underneath this part, and we'll do some grinding on it. And you can follow along as we're doing that. We'll be doing some stuff inside the car. This is the shifter project. Like I said, we're mounting a TCI shifter in there. This is the first time I've ever used a TCI, real similar to the B&M. It's kind of a slap shifter, so when you shift gears as you're going down the track. I went ahead and drilled the holes to mount that bracket that we're going to put in there for the shift lever. Got a couple spacers there to make sure it's level. Woohoo! Bush lattes! Well, that's what we ended up with for a bracket. We're going to mount that in the truck here shortly. The shifter will shifter's going to sit on it just like that, and then we'll mount it in the truck and give you a shot at how that looks. You can see we put 4 holes in there that are in the floorboards so that we can mount it down. We're mounting it with 1/4-inch bolts on the top, 3 5/16 bolts on the bottom to hold it solid when we put it in. Well, I think that's going to work. We got the bracket mounted nice and solid. Everything pulls back the way it should. It'll be better once you get the cable in there. Got to run all the neutral safety switch, reverse lights and stuff like that. You know, and it's just, if I had a bunch of decals, I could put them all over the dash, but right now, by God, it's slingshot engage. Bam! 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 Whoa! That's going to be nice.